When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right, body rude as hell. I put that on my mama, on my hood.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. I've been MIA damn near for the whole month of February, but I'm back and we'll talk about why I've been gone and why I haven't recorded that much this last month. We get into all of those things, but before I go any further, let me introduce myself to anyone that may be new here. My name is Kinshasha Rhodes, aka Sweet Shash One. Welcome to Lifestyle on the Fly, where we focus on lifestyle, fashion, beauty content, and we get into other content such as travel, DIY, cook with me, and things of that sort. So it's a well-rounded channel. We talk about a bunch of different things. So if you like what you see here, I appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, follow, watch, comment, like, and share. Okay, so where I've been, I took some time off. I've been reflecting about the whole channel, what I want to do, where I want this to go, if I want to continue with this, and I am going to continue. Of course, I'm not a quitter. I don't just give up, because I know at the end of the day it's going to benefit, right? But I haven't been doing a lot of content because I kind of been thinking about where I want the channel to go, what I want to do in the channel. It seems like everybody has like a copy and paste, like everything looks the same, everybody's doing the same, no personal styles, just a lot of the same cut and paste type of videos that I keep seeing, and just trying to reflect and think about what I wanted to do and what I wanted to bring to you guys. And of course, I still want to bring the fashion to you. That's a plus because I love fashion, but there's other things that I want to do too. And I've just come to the conclusion that although I like doing the sit down talking to you guys, the vlogging part is what I enjoy the most. And these winter months, I haven't been out much. It's cold. I don't like winter. If you've been here for a while, if you know me personally, I'm not a winter girl. I don't like the winter months, and I don't tend to get out a lot in the winter. And so I haven't been doing that much vlogging. So that's why I haven't really been doing anything. I just been trying to focus on other things, looking for other video styles, other content, other things that I want to work on, other things that I want to bring to you guys. So I've kind of been making a list of that. I finally got my vision board done. You know, it's a couple of things that I just kind of been working on besides just showing up on the camera, because to sit here and do this, it's cool, I love it, but it's just not my thing. I've come to that determination that I just don't really care to do this all the time or do this every week. I want to be able to get outside, do things with you guys, show you guys different things, and I'm always gonna bring some fashion content into any video that I do, whether I'm going shopping, whether I'm doing the outfit of the day, or I'm gonna doing a get ready with me. I'm gonna still bring fashion to my my channel, but I want to do more lifestyle things with you guys too, and I want to get out and I want to vlog, and that's where my heart is. That's where I feel more comfortable at. It's just who I am as a person. Like, I'm just not a one size fit all type of person. I like to dibble and dabble in a lot of things, and this right here is just not it for me, right? So that's why I haven't been up here as much doing this type of content where it's sit down and talk. And I'm gonna always talk to you guys, always bring you the tea, but I just want to do a little bit more moving around. So that's why I just been kind of reflecting and thinking about where I want to go, what I want to do with the channel. I always want to show up my authentic self, and if I'm just not feeling it, I'm not feeling it, and I'm not gonna get up here, be fake and phony, and record something just to put content out. If I don't feel good about the content that I'm gonna show, or if it's just something I don't feel like doing, I'm just not gonna do it, period. So I'm gonna show up when I feel good. I got something to talk to you guys about, I got something to show you, but I am working on just getting into the other things that I want to do. I'm just going to be truthfully honest with you. This is just not who I am. I want to get outside. I want to do different things with you guys, like show you dinner dates and vacations and different restaurants and things like that. So I have to get back to what I enjoy, and then when I get back to that, I'm definitely going to be hitting you guys with more content. I had plans on the top of this year to be bringing at least 2 videos a week, which was going to be Monday and Wednesday. I'm still kind of working that out, but I feel like once I get things back in order and figure out what it is that I want to do and start moving around a little bit, when it gets a little warmer, then I'll be back to my happy space. Okay, so that is what it is. But I also want to do some catching up. We got to do some life updates and things like that, but I'm not going to bore you guys all with that in this video. I'll talk about that on the next video. But what I do want to talk to you guys about, because I know if I wait, by the time it gets around to my next video, it's going to be late, which I'm probably a little late to it anyways, and I'm sure a lot of you already seen the Who the F Did I Marry TikTok series. Man, that was crazy. If you have watched it, tap in at the bottom. Let's talk about it, because I am dying to hear some of my followers, your opinion about the whole thing. Now, I can give mine, and it might be unpopular to some people. Some people don't think how I think, and I don't think how you think, and that's okay. But what that dude did was crazy, right? He definitely has some mental issues, I will say. But I also look at homegirl and say that she has some issues too. Definitely have some insecurities, even though she say, I don't want to say too much because I don't know who's watched what, or if you watched the whole series. But I think she definitely have some, she said that she don't know who she was. She don't know who she is now from the person she was before all of this happened, and I can get that, right? Bad breakup, bad experience, trauma, it can change you, right? But homegirl have not took enough accountability for herself, and like when she do show up and take the accountability for herself, it's kind of brushed off, like, well, don't come for me, or give me some grace, or don't give me a hard time, this, that, and the third. But sis, you a whole adult, right? Living, working, paying your bills before him. Being single, I think she said she had, the last relationship she was in was maybe like 2 years before she met this guy. So you were used to being alone. You were working and paying your own bills. However, you still moved a guy into your apartment or condo a week after you met. You don't know who the hell you was moving into your place just because he showed up. He was been a gentleman, gaslighting you. He came and fixed the tire, paid for the tire. Okay, like, stop losing y'all mind for bare minimum from men, right? That's just bare minimum. I'm sorry. Not enough to make you move a man in your house within a week. Even if you were going into like COVID, the lockdown, so what? You could still date. You could have still did FaceTime, Zoom. When it got warmer, they was doing like outside dining. You still could have met with him, did dinner, get to know him. Hell, she's in the A. We all know out of all the places in the U.S., Atlanta was open whole COVID, okay? They was lit the whole entire time. So since you were able to get out and do some other things, that's one. Two, I don't think she was a victim. I think she was a willing participant. And why I say that is because she kept stressing now it was a lot of things that she didn't know about, and I give her credit for that she didn't know, she didn't understand, she wasn't for sure. But then she was giving him grace in things because she wanted to believe what she wanted to believe. She was a part of the same delusion that he was in because she accepted it. Things that she knew that wasn't right, times that she felt that he was lying, she still was giving it the okay because he was living there and he was paying her bills. So you were benefiting from what he was doing, so you accepted the lies. Oh, Mary had a little lamb. You ain't got but 2 lies to tell me, and it's already pretty much I'm done. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna take that many lies for me to make you leave you, and then you turn around and then you married him. And then like the aunt, right? The aunt didn't say much, but the aunt said a lot without saying a lot. Like the aunt was saying, so, oh, you married him, as if you can't be serious. Like, you see who he is, you know what's going on. Why did you do that? You know what I'm saying? That's what I was like, I can't give you no advice. Only thing I'm going to tell you to do is go back home and have to deal with the situation that you clearly created it because you allowed it. You allowed this man to continue to lie to you in your face time after time after time after time again. And you stay there. And then you come to TikTok to act like you was a victim of the lies. You know what I'm saying? You were a victim of some of the lies, but a lot of them was on you because you knew. Because you knew, but you still stayed there. You stayed there because of the benefits of it, because he was paying all the bills and you were keeping your check and just taking care of your car note and little things like that. So you benefited from the lies. You stayed in the relationship with the lies until it got to the point that you couldn't take it anymore. And when you got to the point that you couldn't take it no more, then you decide to take action to finally get rid of him, but also do an investigation. First red flag was going on a date with a man that you matched with on 2 different apps, 2 different names, 2 different pictures, but you still went on a date with him. It was so many red flags before you went out. Why didn't you look this dude up and find out some information on him before you even went on a date with him? I don't know. I don't knock dating apps. It's just not been my thing, because if they gonna lie to you in your face when you meeting them at face at parties, clubs, or restaurants, or libraries, wherever you're meeting them at, if they're lying to you in your face already, what the hell makes you think they're gonna lie to you behind the screen? That's why I've never been the one to care for online dating, period. Just not, it hasn't been my thing. But I don't know, I want to know what your thoughts on it is. If you watched it, do you understand where I'm coming from? Maybe me, you know, I'm not trying to give her a hard time, but I just see it from a different lens. Like, I'm definitely not giving him any credit for what he's done. He was an effed up individual, no doubts about it. But still, it still make me judge her character and what type of woman she is, because she allowed it. There's a lot of things she knew, a ton of things she didn't know. But because she was benefiting from some of the lies, she stayed. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm wrong? Do you really think she's a victim? Or, like, what do you think? I just don't feel like she was a victim. I feel like at a certain point in your life, when things are happening and you are playing a part of those things that's happening, and you're participating in those things and you're benefiting from those things, you're not a victim. You're a willing participant, period. Okay, so enough about that. Let's get into why I'm really here. So I had some outfits for you guys that I picked out from Zara's maybe like a month or so ago when they were doing their annual sale. So I showed them, but I didn't style them. So I'm going to style, maybe have a couple little outfits to style, and we'll get into that, and that's about it. And then I'll see you guys on the next video. But so here is the first outfit. You guys remember I kind of struggled with this because I loved it when I first tried it on, and then when I got it home I really didn't care for it as much. But I'm all for picking pieces, especially if you can get good sales on pieces, picking pieces that you can wear year round. You can kind of like switch them out for different seasons, and this outfit is definitely one. This is like a cotton wide leg jumper from Zara. If you can see the whole jumper here. I did try it on with like a turtleneck or something under it. I didn't like it. I didn't like it until I actually belted it, and so once I belted, I was like, okay, I liked it. But because here, springtime, we are not really that warm, but you know, we get maybe 60s, 70s, you know, late spring. I figured I would, you know, just put on a kimono instead of like a cardigan or a jean jacket, because we always tend to go to those pieces. So if you have like cardigans and things like that, you can always pair it with these items if you don't want to show your arm, just to give it a different look. You can restyle it. You don't have to necessarily wear the belt. I did because that's the way I liked it a little more with the belt. But yeah, I just paired it here with this this cardigan, any kind that you have. I just kind of did it because it does have some of the colors of the jumper in this kimono, and I paired it here with these gold platforms. I'm not sure if you can see this because of the way my camera is, but I have on a gold pair of platforms from Zara, and because I'm short, but I paired it with these platforms just to give myself a little height, and it can look really nice. You can wear something like this with flats if you're a tall girl and don't mind it hitting the floor a little bit, which I don't mind it hitting the floor. I actually like it when a wide leg kind of goes over my pants. It's super cute to me. And I just paired it with some simple accessories because I have these braids in. So I just put a hoop in and a ring on. You definitely can put a bigger necklace on with this if you like, but I just wanted to just kind of show you just the jumper itself and not really focus on the accessories. This is jumper and the kimono, and show you different ways to wear it. So this is the way that I chose to wear this one, and just kind of have it off the shoulders. But if I get a little chilly, you know, we can put it back on the shoulders, right? And we can still wear it. And something like this you can wear pretty much anywhere you want. I'm always about wearing fashion your way, where you want to wear it. Wouldn't say necessarily you can wear this to a game, but you could definitely wear it to work. You could definitely wear it after work. You could definitely wear it to happy hour or to a brunch with your girls or your guy, whatever you choose to do. But it is a very diverse outfit. If you want to wear it in the colder months, like in the fall, you could definitely put like a mock neck or a turtleneck or something like that under it. Or I feel like something would have been super cute to put on like a shirt that kind of fits off the sleeve. Maybe something long sleeve, but if it's off the sleeve, I had that in black, but I didn't want to pair this with black. That's something you can do too. Maybe like a cream color, some type of off color, like a beige or something, a neutral color, and to get it to fit off the sleeves, and maybe something long or short sleeves depending on the season. It would be perfect, perfect with this. And of course you can see that it is a halter, right? Okay, so yes, this is the first look. Okay, so I'm back with my second look. This here is a halter dress from Zara's as well that I bought during the sale. I paired it with a denim long sleeve shirt, kind of cuffed the sleeves here. I wanted to just give you a look that you can still wear this year round pretty much. You know, you can take this shirt off for the spring and summer. You can keep a shirt or a sweater or something else, whatever you choose for the colder months. It's definitely long enough. It comes down to my calves, and I paired it with a pair of denim boots from Zara that I caught on the sale as well. So yes, this is the look for this outfit, and it's very versatile. Like I said, love pieces that I can get more bang for my buck, and I can wear it more than one season.
Say what? You want to take a picture? You want to take a picture? You want to take a picture? Yeah.
Say she get it